Hey everyone, we have today a Crazy Aaron's Thinking Putty. This is a glow-in-the-dark mermaid tail. Surprising they put the mermaid tail, the title up here. Usually they put the title kind of here, but I guess they wanted to really show the putty. I just noticed that now. But this is a 3.2 ounce size, or 90 grams. We'll take a look at the back here. So purple and turquoise color, sparkling, glows sea green. I mean, really, just right from the front here. I mean, that's a very pretty looking putty, but let's take a look here. We'll open it up. And man, do I like that. Look at that. That is beautiful. Looks like the most magical sea I've ever seen, to be honest. I really love this. So because I'm going to gush about this putty quite a bit, I'm just going to say right off the bat, this is definitely one of my top 5 favorite putties. The glow-in-the-dark putties are already a very high-functioning putty. They work really well. They're very consistent in their playability and their fun and their ability to glow in the dark. But this one just adds so much to it with the look of this. Man, I love these glitter pieces. I really do. I'm just like, my jaw's dropped, honestly. Every time I play with this putty, I just find it so, so pretty. I mean, definitely looks like a sea that mermaids would be swimming in. A magical sea. And the glitter pieces here are interesting too. So they're the bigger glitter pieces, and there's actually all kinds of varying sizes here. So let me take a closer look. Let me see if I can stretch it out. So, I mean, you have like these big ones, and then it goes, there's purple, blue. I think just purple and blue are the colors. But the sizes of them, see, look at there. Got these little tiny ones. I think there's 4 different sizes the last time I looked. And it just creates a very, very pretty effect. Texture of this putty, I would say, is medium. So the putties vary from soft to firm. And this one's a medium firmness, which is nice. I think that's always the best of both worlds. Very nice for stretching and playing. Because the glitter pieces in here are a bit larger, it does have some grittiness to it. Some people may find that a little bit unappealing. I actually find this to be pretty pleasant, to be honest. It's kind of a very, very nice sensory feeling on the hands. I would say this is never sharp enough to cut me, but definitely it does have a texture that I can feel. So just something to be aware of, with any of these putties that have maybe larger pieces in them. But man, I love the way this one looks. This is a beautiful putty. But let's test out the glow. Let's get it a little bit flat here. And then, okay, put it down. I don't have that up. We'll put that up for seeing what this is. And I have my black light here, or UV light. Definitely recommend getting one of these. If you have the glow putties, it's very good for charging them up. They do need UV light or natural sunlight, which has UV light rays in it. But this is about the best way. Inexpensive too. Just pick one of these up and play with your putty. Okay, but let's give this a quick charge. Doesn't take very long. I mean, this one's pretty incredible as far as the glow putties go, because look at that. I mean, already you can see it's kind of glowing green, especially under the light. It's glowing that sea green like they said it would. Okay, doesn't take very long. So let's do that. I'm going to go turn off the light. And wow, look at that. Man, that is glowing beautifully. So there's it actually charged through. Usually when you do like charging a putty on a flat surface like that, this entire side would be dark. But this one really absorbed the light almost all the way through. That's actually pretty interesting. Look at that though. And I just love the way these those glitter pieces look too in here. Really, really fun. Really, really unique glow-in-the-dark putty here. And this one's actually extremely bright too. So where's my light? I'm in a pitch black room here, so bear with me. Okay, here we go. Give this one more charge up here, both sides. I never know if holding it closer or holding it further away helps. I don't think it really matters. You just want to get the surface kind of covered, you know, as much light on the surface as possible. But look at that now. I mean, we just freshly charged it. I mean, it's creating literally an aura around it here. If I put it in my hands, kind of, you know, look at that, making quite a bit of light coming through. You could light up a room with this for sure. It's like a magical ball, like a magical orb. Really, really fun though. Really nice glow-in-the-dark putty. Okay, well, let's go turn the light back on. Okay, and there it is. So just as beautiful as before, in a different way. Back to this really pretty blue color with the glitter. And that's just a solid putty. Definitely one of my top 5 favorites here. Really nice texture, super fun to play with in the light because of this pretty color and glitter. Super fun to play with in the dark because of the amazing glow. Definitely recommend this one. Very, very nice. But that is the Mermaid's Tail Thinking Putty. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, definitely leave a like. I would appreciate it a ton. And subscribe for more videos in the future. But that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you again soon.